In this video, we will discuss one of the important types of isomerism that is known as a tautomerism. So, tautomers are functional isomers which exist simultaneously and also in a dynamic equilibrium. Tautomers are the functional isomers, which means the functional group changes when this isomerism takes place, and it is most commonly observed in the ketones, which can easily converted into enol form, which means which contain ene as well as ol in it, that is alkene as well as alcohol group in that case, and that type of isomerism is known as keto enol tautomerism. So once again, what is tautomerism? It is shown by those isomers which are known as the tautomers. What are they? They are the functional isomers which exist simultaneously and also in the dynamic equilibrium. Now just for example, here is one of the example here. Here it is present an aldehyde part, and just when I move this one of the hydrogen of this CH3 towards this O part, then now this double bond shifted towards this side, just like now for example like this. Here we can say this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. So now this hydrogen will move towards this third position, forming the bond OH, and this double bond shifted to this the first and second position here. So these two forms are in dynamic equilibrium. These arrows, forward and the backward direction side arrows, shows the equilibrium dynamic, that is very rapidly changes one form to another. So as we have said, it is shown by the ketone, that is here the keto group. Now again here first, second, third, so hydrogen from this position shifted to O like this, and double bond from here will shift it to the adjacent side where hydrogen is moved in order to balance the valency. So now ene group also present and OH, ol group also present. That is why it is known as enol, which exists between ketone and the enol form. So अगर हम यहाँ बात करें तो ये प्रोपेनोन है. प्रोपेनोन में कीटोन ग्रुप यहाँ पे सेकेंड पोजीशन पे प्रेजेंट है. अब ये जो हाइड्रोजन है मिथाइल ग्रुप का, ये शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. तो हाइड्रोजन विल बी शिफ्ट फ्रॉम, और वी कैन से ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम this carbon to this oxygen. So again if I number it like 1, 2 and 3, or we can say this hydrogen is shifted to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 to the third carbon. It just shift towards this side. So now this will become CH3 and this bond will move towards this side. So double bond will come. So these two things are in dynamic equilibrium. So we can say here 1,3,1,3 migration of hydrogen atom from carbon to oxygen, or vice versa. So keto enol tautomerism, also known as a tautomerism, they are the functional isomers. Both are the functional isomers which exist simultaneously and also in the dynamic equilibrium. Now one of the important example is that to show the keto enol tautomerism, presence of alpha hydrogen is necessary. That alpha hydrogen must be present in that compound. Now for example, this is the aldehyde, but it contains an alpha hydrogen here. This is the carbonyl, and carbonyl attached to the carbon is the alpha carbon, and the hydrogen attached to this carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. Meaning जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप के साथ कार्बन अटैच होता है उसे हम अल्फा कार्बन बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे ये जो CH3 का कार्बन है ये अल्फा कार्बन है, एंड द हाइड्रोजन अटैच टू इट विल बिकम द अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. नाउ दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रोपेनोन, कॉमन नेम एसीटोन, ठीक है। अब इसमें ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है। अब यहाँ पे 2 अल्फा कार्बन प्रेजेंट है, देयर आर 2 अल्फा कार्बन प्रेजेंट हेयर, this is also alpha carbon, this is also alpha carbon, and the hydrogen attached to this alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. Again, in case of acetophenone, it is also a ketone here, where phenone is this ring and the aceto part is this part, so this is known as acetophenone. So here this is the functional group, it is attached to 2 carbon here, first carbon here and the second carbon here. Now here count the bond, 1 2 3 4, so there is no hydrogen present here, but towards this side hydrogen is present, so alpha hydrogen is present here, so they can easily show the keto enol tautomerism. Now just for example, if I write the structure for it, we have already discussed this one. So what happened, this H will shift here and double bond will shift here, so now the structure will become CH2 double bond COH H. Again in this case, any of the alpha hydrogen will shift toward this OH, so this will remain as CH2, double bond will come towards this side, this becomes C, this double bond is come toward this side, and this O has taken that H towards itself. Now in this case, ring will remain the same, benzene ring will remain the same, there is no change in that case, so I am writing here circle only. So now this H will move toward this O, so now it will become OH, this double bond will shift toward this side and it forms CH2, which means the presence of alpha hydrogen, because shifting is taking place of the hydrogen from the third position to the first position, so alpha hydrogen is necessary. So this question can also be framed like this. Some examples must be given to you, and the question is that will it be show the tautomerism or not. Now for example, yes, there is a aldehyde group is present here, but there is no alpha hydrogen because it is attached to a, not to a carbon here, but here it is attached to a carbon, but here no hydrogen is present, 1 2 3 4. Similarly, this carbon is also attached to 2 carbon, but there is no alpha hydrogen present here. So out of these 5, these 3 will show the tautomerism, whereas these 2 examples will not shows the tautomerism. So I hope you can understand this topic, which includes few definition. First of all, what do you mean by the tautomerisms? Why it is called as a keto enol tautomerism? Because here ketone group is changes into enol, and they both exist in the dynamic equilibrium, which means both isomer exist at the same time and they are rapidly exchanging in between. And the second important point, what is the main requirement for the tautomerism? Presence of alpha hydrogen. If alpha hydrogen is not present in ketone, it will not show that isomerism.